Hey guys, it's Kevin here from Voy Media, and today I want to go over a question that we get asked a lot. Should you be using image ads or video ads in your Facebook campaigns? This is an interesting question because from what we've seen, both work. It just depends on how you are using them and also the context of the ads. How I think about it and how we think about it here at Voy Media, we'll go in and dive deep into this question right now. With this question, from what we've seen, we see video ads still work really well in all parts of the funnel. So for example, top of the funnel, which is cold prospects, people that have never heard about your brand. Middle of the funnel, which is people that maybe have visited a few pages but haven't really interacted or done anything in your website that's really meaningful. And then again, for bottom of the funnel, which is customers that have added to cart, initiate checkout, and also for maybe loyalty, which is customers that have purchased before. We're seeing video ads work well for this all part of the funnel here. Something to be thinking about here is that your video ad should really target that audience or that part of the funnel that you're targeting. So if it's a bottom of the funnel ad, then maybe show the image, show the video ad saying, hey, did you forget to check out? Did you need a coupon code? Did you need a discount? And of course, for the top of the funnel ads, they can't be those did you forget to check out because that wouldn't make any sense because they have not heard about your brand yet. So for the top of the funnel video ads, you really want to lead with a value prop, problem, a hook essentially that's going to get them to explore the website. And another thing about image ads, we still see image ads work really well. Similar to video ads, they work really well for different parts of the funnel. The only thing that we're seeing is that sometimes image ads do better for some brands and sometimes video ads do better for some brands. For example, for supplements, we're seeing images do really well for middle of the funnel. And that's something that we're exploring more and more and doing more iterations and hooks and twists on images of the products that they have because we're seeing that work better. Whereas video, they still do well, but not as well. And again, for some other products, we still are seeing image ads on the top of the funnel do really well. And this is really when your call to action or your CTA is very easy and you don't need a lot of explanation. For example, sometimes we run free book offers. So an image ad that says free book, free download, get it today. Those work really well. Video ads do well here too, but we're still seeing better results with images. That's my take on images versus video ads. Ultimately, at the end of the day, your brand, you should be testing both and seeing where and in which part of the funnel images or videos would work better, or potentially they both work well. That's it, guys, and thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thanks.